Hey guys, I'm often asked, what's in a freaking bucket? So I do start with muesli and add muesli to it. That's a nice layer. And yeah, to refine it further, half a mout. Don't know how it's called. Some cocos slices in there. Very nice. Oh, these, I like these. These are delicious, you know? These are very nice red berries, Johannesbeeren. They call them in Germany. Here we have blueberries. And those kind of things. You put it in the bucket. And then you actually need to prepare this a few hours in advance, because I'm gonna add some from the deep freezer. But of course, if you have more of these nice fruits, you can store it for a long time in there. Strawberries. That's actually the last strawberry. So the pineapple. Pineapple also make it nice, sweet, healthy sugars. Yeah, we find it a bit with granaatappelpitjes. Don't know how they call it in English. Some seeds. We throw some seeds in there. Sunflower seeds. Cow nips added to it, and some cinnamon. Now, don't do too much cinnamon, otherwise it's going to be pretty sharp. Some cocos cream in there. Now these things you can either buy, or you can just get them from the food itself. But this time we buy it. And actually I have a very good trick. All these nuts, I buy them in bulk, so like really big bulk packages. It's much more cheaper, and you can store the seeds and the nuts anyway for a very long time. So it's really a good tip, so that you always have enough of these seeds in house. And the same holds for the dadels. Yes, put some raisins in there. With milk, like this is almond drink, but you can also use milk or something that looks similar to it, because then the muesli will like absorb it, so it has a nice base to it. So it doesn't have to like absorb it in your stomach, but it's already absorbed a bit of the water. Moerbeibessen, they grow on trees. Well, if you actually find a tree that's growing them, just take them from the tree. That's very nice if you pluck them. Nice and fresh. They're actually a bit more greenish and purple colored than they are on the tree, so this one are dried. Now this banana will fill the bucket quite much, because the banana is very big. It's really a good tip to always look out the things that you can store for a long time anyway, to buy them in the bulk. So walnuts going in there, very nice. The important thing about adding nuts to it is that the fruits that you put in there, they're digested very quickly, so they give you quickly a boost in your energy. Now by also combining your morning breakfast bucket with the nuts take a bit longer time to digest, but they also have like a longer time that they give you the energy. So by adding nuts to it, you will enjoy not only like quite fast satisfaction of your hunger, but also for a longer time you'll have more energy and more power for the day. So probably be like for the coming 4 or 5 hours you don't have to eat anymore. So the exercises are like around 9ish in the morning, workouts, and then like 9:30, 10 o'clock, then I finish my workouts, and then I can do the eating. Just take the evening before and prepare the bucket, because you can store the bucket in your fridge. If you have like a nutcracker, you put the nut in the nutcracker, you can open it a bit. You don't need to really push through, but now if you take it from a jam or something, really look for that the first ingredient is not sugar. Most of the like cheap ones, the main ingredient is sugar. You want to avoid that. You want to look for natural sugars and not for main ingredient sugar. So you want to have jam, And it will have some sugar, but not sugar with some apricots. So add to it the honey and take it with me in a bag. And then I can open it up in the office. So quite often when we have like a meeting there, first meeting of the day with the team, of the opening ceremony, I bring in the bucket, put it on the table, and open the bucket and can eat it while I'm having the meeting. I now revealed the real secret of everything that's in the bucket. Just mix it up a bit. Make sure that the muesli at the bottom, you shake it a bit up until you have like a very nice shake, and then it's so good to have a nice breakfast, and I can enjoy this for like half an hour or an hour. Just take all the time you need to enjoy your very great bucket breakfast. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the button below, or send a like or comments if you have any great ideas or tips for nice things to add to your breakfast bucket in the morning to start your day powerful and fresh and strong and delicious.